Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you will enjoy your good health. So let's start that how to connect a Netbeans front end with a Mysql database. First of all, we have to import the library for the connection of database with the front end application. So guys, as you can see that click on libraries, that I have already imported the Mysql JDBC driver. If you want to do the same thing, just click right on the libraries and then click add library. Okay, it will just take 2 to 5 seconds to open the option where you can select the Mysql database drivers. You have to select this option, Mysql JDBC driver. So as you can see that I have already imported the Mysql JDBC driver, so I don't need to click again on this add library option, right guys? Okay, now make sure that you make a database with the same database. As you can see that I have created a database with the name of Java text and here the one table of name. Okay guys, here in this table I will type first name, ID, name and semester. Okay, now I'm going to connect this database with the Netbeans application. So I have created a path for that database and make it static to use it anywhere in my project, and name it and make the password of the database null and connection con and prepare statement pt. Okay guys, now I have made a method having two arguments, name and a semester. Okay guys, now I have a query of string data which I have stored the whole query inserted into, as you can see. Okay guys, and now let's come to this JFrame form. I have created an event on this button, action performed. Okay guys, just make the name of that class which is a connection db. Okay guys, and call that method insert which takes two arguments from here. So I send the data of these two text field. The first name is name text and the second name is semester text. Okay guys, now double click on this save button and as you can see that I have passed these two arguments from here. So now let's run the file to check that either it is working or not. Let's suppose I have sent these two arguments from here, Willy and semester 6. Just click on save button. As you can see that a pop-up message has been showed that saved successfully. Okay, now come to check the database, that is data inserted successfully or not. So just click on the first table and see the magic. Wow guys, have successfully inserted our data. Now let's come again and try another data 7th. Yes, we have inserted and just click it once. Yes. So guys, that was how to connect a database, and inshallah our next video will be on login, how to create a login in Java Netbeans with